Install right rear door glass on a Mercedes CLS 500. The glass is broken out. Trick to this is figuring out where the 4 screws are to hold the trim panel. There's one right behind the airbag sign. There's 2 in here under a little trim panel that pops out, and one here in the ashtray pocket. Take the pocket out. It's up there. That's the key. Pop it off. There's regular pins. Pops right out. Took it off. We already disconnected the wires. Now we're going to install the glass. Install this little clamp.